Hi, welcome back to Portuguese for Beginners. This is lesson 10 of course 1, and I am Filipa, your Portuguese teacher. Let's begin with a review of our last lesson. Ser, estar, falar, ver, ter, comer, poder. Okay, today we will continue with the important verbs, or verbos importantes, and some more conjugation rules. We have dar, dar, to give, saber, saber, to know, conhecer, conhecer. When we have N and H together, the sound becomes N. N. Conhecer, to know. Dizer, dizer. Querer, querer, or to want. And in this case, the U is silent. Querer, you don't read it. Partir, partir. It means to leave and also to break, like to break a glass. Ir, ir, to go. And abrir, abrir, to open. Alright, time for some conjugation rules again. In the two previous lessons, we learned how to conjugate regular verbs ending with AR and ER in the present tense, right? And we also looked into irregular verbs ending with AR and ER. Do you remember? Okay, so now we will do the same work with verbs ending with IR. Let's start by checking the main rule. Regular verbs ending with IR also keep the root of the verb, just like with AR and ER. Only the termination changes according to person or tense. As so, all regular verbs ending with IR will be conjugated with these terminations that you see on the table. But let's consider some examples. It will be easier to understand. So here we have partir, to leave or to break, as said before. This is a regular verb example. Eu parto, tu partes. Ele, ela parte. Nós partimos. Vós partis. Eles, elas partem. Okay? So this will be the formula for all regular verbs ending with IR. Let's see another example. Abrir, to open. This is also a regular verb. Eu abro. Tu abres. Ele, ela abre. Nós abrimos. Vós abris. Eles, elas abrem. Alright. Now let's consider an example of an irregular verb ending with IR. Here we have ir, or to go. Eu vou. Tu vais. ele, ela vai. Nós vamos. Vós ides. Eles, elas vão. This verb is irregular in all conjugations, and as mentioned in previous lessons, each irregular verb is an isolated case. You will always have to check them individually. But the good news is that the majority of the verbs are regular, for AR, ER, and IR terminations. Alright, let's practice a little bit. You know this type of exercise already. Just conjugate the regular and irregular verbs that we have studied today. I open. Eu. He goes. Ele. They leave. Eles. She opens. Ela. We go. Nós. You leave. Tu. Okay, let's check the answers. I open. Eu abro. He goes. Ele vai. They leave. Eles partem. She opens. Ela abre. We go. Nós vamos. You leave. Tu partes. All good? You know you may always go back to clear any doubt you might have, and you can repeat the exercises as many times as you want. Alright, before we move to the final exercise of today, let's just review the formulas or rules for the 3 verb terminations we have talked about. I mean the regular verbs, since the irregular are always case by case. Let's see andar, to walk, correr, to run, abrir, to open. Eu ando, tu andas, ele, ela anda. Nós andamos, vós andais, eles, elas andam. Eu corro, tu corres, ele, ela corre. Nós corremos, vós correis, eles, elas correm. Eu abro, tu abres, ele, ela abre. Nós abrimos, vós abris, eles, elas abrem. Okay, let's put this knowledge into practice one more time. You know the drill. They walk, eles. You all run, vós. I open, eu. We walk, nós. You run, tu. He opens, ele. Okay, let's see the answers. They walk, eles andam. You all run, vós correis. I open, eu abro. We walk, nós andamos. You run, tu corres. He opens, ele abre. Okay, wonderful. Let's move to our final review. Just repeat after me. Dar, saber, conhecer, dizer, querer, partir, ir, abrir. That was all for today. Look, you have reached the middle of this course. I am very proud of your hard work and progress. Keep it up. See you on the next lesson.